In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer money from coinstats to Cash App quickly and easily. Coinstats is primarily a cryptocurrency portfolio tracker and does not directly support transferring funds to Cash App. However, you can withdraw your cryptocurrency to a linked exchange or wallet and then transfer the funds to Cash App. First, open your Coinstats app and navigate to your portfolio. Identify the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. If you need to convert it to cash, you will first need to withdraw it to a cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Tap on the cryptocurrency, then select Withdraw or Send, and enter the wallet address of the exchange you're using. After completing the withdrawal, log in to your exchange account and sell the cryptocurrency for your preferred fiat currency, like USD. Once the funds are available in your exchange account, withdraw them to your linked bank account. Next, open the Cash App, go to the Banking tab, the $ icon, and tap on Add Cash. Select the amount you want to transfer and complete the transaction. The money will be added to your Cash App balance. That's it. You've successfully transferred money from Coinstats to Cash App through a cryptocurrency exchange. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.